ever-evolving landscape of British politics, there are moments when the subtle shifts in power speak louder than grand declarations. As we stand on the cusp of a potential change, one figure looms large on the horizon: Rupert Lowe, a mammoth political figure, and Friday leaving the country asking, what is he going to do? Over recent weeks, whispers have circulated about his plans. Some believe Restore Britain, the movement he's created, might rise as a political party. It would be interesting. But I propose a different narrative that hinges on a deeper, more strategic alliance. Imagine, if you will, that Rupert Lowe and Ben Habib have been engaging in quiet, behind-the-scenes conversations. While the public's eye may be focused on individual movements, the reality is that a pact could be forming. An alliance could potentially reshape the whole political landscape. This is not merely speculation. It's a vision of how the political winds are shifting. Advance UK, under the leadership of Ben Habib, has been working meticulously. There's a sense of purpose in the way policies are being crafted and a constitution is being refined, and the groundwork is being laid for something formidable. It's not just about creating another political entity, it's about forging a movement that stands on a foundation of clarity, organisation and purpose. As we look to the future, it's important to remember that this is a prediction, a perspective on what may come. There are no certainties here. The political landscape is ever changing, and this is simply how I see the winds blowing. Yet the potential for groundbreaking alliances between Rupert and Ben is palpable. In this unfolding narrative, we might witness a transformation where fragmented groups unite under a common cause. The predicted outcome is a political realignment that brings the legitimacy and strength to both Restore Britain and Advance UK. This is a vision of a more organised, cohesive political force, one that could challenge the status quo. In the end, what are we witnessing? Is it the dawn of a new political era? Is it the prediction born from careful observation and hope for more unified political fronts, especially from the right? We may be wrong, but the future is never certain, but it's very likely that uncertainty makes the journey so compelling. Moreover, recent developments have shown key figures like Ben Habib and Nick Tenconi are engaging in dialogues, exploring the possibility of alliances, if anyone saw Dan Wootton the other night. When these leaders come together, it's a signal that the right side of politics may soon coalesce into an unstoppable force. Yet this shift comes at the expense of those who have been let down by Reform UK. The grassroots movements have been stifled and many voices have been silenced, leaving a wave of disillusionment, especially with the Tory defections. It's becoming increasingly clear that the future lies in a new unified front, one that can amplify the voices of those who've been overlooked. As we look to the horizon, it's clear the right side of politics is on the brink of something transformative. This is the story I paint, one of hope, of unity and of a new beginning. I predict strong alliances. What do you think? Comment below, let me know. Take care.